Welcome. Let's see 10 line essay writing on noise pollution. Okay, today I will show you how to write about noise pollution. Okay, this is a picture of noise pollution. So, first on, noise pollution is when there are too many loud sounds around us. Loud sounds can come from traffic, machines, and people. Noise pollution can disturb our peace and make it hard to concentrate. It can even affect animals and make them scared or upset. We can reduce noise pollution by using quieter machines and vehicles. Turning down the volume on music and devices also helps. Planting trees and buses can act as a barrier to block noise. Being mindful of how much noise we make is important. Quiet places help us relax and stay healthy. And last of all, by working together, we can make our environment quieter and happier. If we see or observe the road and the situation of road, you can write about many sentences, a lot of sentences about noise pollution. Thank you.